Dito. Dito muna tayo mag-concentrate.
Ang software.
Bikot.
Ayan. Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog of Isagani Valle Cervantes here in San Andres, Bukid. Diamante Street.
Okay.
Our time is 3:49 p.m.
Puti na, pag sa Pepsi.
Oh,
Billion
we're
yun
about to arrange this room. We will make it a cozy room, like a condominium.
Wow.
For the meantime, bear with us because this is the situation here. Maybe after 2 hours, you can see the difference, okay? See you guys. Shout out.
Don't forget to subscribe. Parang si Amari. Don't forget to subscribe.
Wala gani.
Ah,